Right, well we now have the back engine installed. Now we're going to have to install the front engine, the bit that in fact you're going to use and see. So if I scroll down to Microsoft SQL Server 2017, you'll see that there is an SQL Server 2017 Installation Center. And if I open that up, you're going to notice it looks very familiar. In fact, we've seen it before. There we are. Now we went to installation and we clicked on new standalone installation. We'll have a look at some of this second and this fourth one in other videos, but right now I'm going to install SQL Server Management Tools. So this launches a web page. So here's the web page, download SSMS. So if you're using something called TSQL, or if you're going to be a DBA, a database administrator, this is where you do most of your work in SSMS. And again, all of this completely free. So I'm just going to download SQL Server Management Studio. So you can see 802 megabytes. So it's just going to take a little while, so I'm going to pause the video, wait for it to download. Now just have a look at the supported operating systems. First of all, this new version requires a 64-bit platform, but it's available on Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. So you don't need SQL Server 2017 to use this version of SSMS, version 17. It will work on version 2017, 2016, 2014 and 2012. And if for some reason you do want an earlier version, there is right near, well, I would say the bottom, but it's just before all of the comments, a link to previous SQL Server Management releases. But there's no real reason for it. You might as well just get the very latest one. So at the time of recording, this is 17.4. However, this is another instance where Microsoft will keep giving you updated versions, but this major functionality is the same. You probably won't notice any difference between an SQL Server Management Studio for 2012 and the very latest one. You'll probably only tell the difference with the icon. You can see it uses a different icon, and with the splash screen, the very first screen that you've got. Right, I'm now going to open this file. Now it has downloaded. And just click install to begin. So it's now loading the packages, and it's again a very smooth install once it starts going. So this is when you just sit back, relax and let it install. Right, so you can see all specified components have been installed correctly. Computer needs to be restarted before setup can continue. So we're going to restart the computer.